XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned how deep the price can drop. And the first level we were expecting was 1.34. As we can see, the price dropped it tag and reverse. Because the question is whether the price can break this line or not. We mentioned the possible, even the price dropped to 1.1486 without breaking this line, any reversal, we can look for trade. Okay. As we can see, the price tag 1.34, but it couldn't break. From now, any continuation for buy, we can look for trade. But the way we want to look for trade, I mean, the options, the only way is to have entry above the stop. Rather than that, the second option, we should wait for the breakout of this with the flag. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. And having entry above the stop, what we're looking for the sharp move. We want the price break, we get the trade and break and continue. If the price tag, which is not moving, we have to, even within the first hour, we should have the proper management. All right. Anyway, we're looking for buy. The only thing is how deep this correction can be before we get the next trade. All right. As what we expected, the first line, we put 1.34. We first support the price tag, but it couldn't break. That's why right now, as I mentioned, how we can look for trade. But if this one turned a deeper correction, it can give us better trade setup. And even if the price break 1.34, drop to 1.268, having entry above this is not valid. Okay, then from there we need to get further look for reversal. Anyway, if we get any trade, we're looking for 1.61. This is where we start to manage, and if there is a continuation after the price tag 1.79, we can book some profit as 1.61. But anyway, if we're looking for trade, we consider as a sharp move. What I mean, similar to what we get here, not the corrective move. Okay, actually there is no much changes if we refer to our analysis in my last video. In this case, we move to higher time frame. The only thing is we need to get the correction for continuation. Rather than that, based on daily chart, we cannot, we don't have anything else to add. And right now we're looking at this. All right. Can we expect this one turn to a bigger correction? If there is a continuation, the price drop, it gives us a correction. This is where we should know that we cannot look for buy, and we can get the confirmation for the price to drop. That's why based on 1 hour chart, we put a few lines. We mentioned how we can deep this one can be. All right. That's why this is the reasons we want to know if we want to look for trade, we have to get the trade set up. And if the possibility of this one even retest to 1.1486 is still there. Okay. Anyway, we're looking for this correction. Any trade setup, we take the trade. Okay. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.